So look, we finna go in here and get a full review at the Jamaican spot, downtown. Hey, he said put it over there.
The ribs tender, is it?
The ribs busting.
Busted.
Alright, downtown Indianapolis. If you know, you know. Alright, there go one of their little drinks. Drink with $6 change. Gonna see what it tastes like.
That's strawberry cherry.
Almost drunk all of it. That shit fire. We'll be back. We had ordered a Jake ribs, but we'll be back. Mac and cheese, ribs, sweet potatoes. We'll be back with the little food taste. Alright, mac and cheese.
Thinking.
The yam good, but the mac and cheese kind of plain.
Yeah, I don't know how I feel about the
Mac and cheese, alright. Yams. Yams in.
This is good. You want
Rib.
Look.
Never mind. Hold on. Y'all saw the rib. I ain't gonna cap. Rib. Okay.
Oh, go ahead.
Got real busted. I ain't gonna lie. I get a rib. That shit don't come with a sauce? 9 out of 10.
I don't know.
The mac and cheese, I give it like a...
I give the mac and cheese a 4.
I ain't gonna cut you. That motherfucker nice and cheesy. I give it a nice little 7.5 out of 10. Yeah, yams 10 out of 10 though, for sure. But yeah. You see where we at? If you wanna try, come get you some.